Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, LEWK Makeup Artist. Welcome to my channel, Easy Makeup Artist. And today, I'm going to show you kung ano yung ginagawa kong makeup, how I do makeup on my clients, especially on wedding, bridal. So as you can see, this is a sample of my work. It's a romantic, soft look. At the same time, as you can see, it's skin-like, dewy, but not oily. So if you want to see how I do this, then keep on watching and don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. guys! So this is the final look I did kay Lara, my friend and model. Ito yung ginawa ko for a soft glam romantic look for a bride. As you can see, the lashes are soft and elongated. The brows are well defined, but the eyeshadow is hindi siya gaanong pangmalakasan, but it's just a soft and subtle. At the same time, it's glam look. And what I really want to focus on to my bridal clients are the skin. As you can see, skin-like and highlight, dewy and fresh look lang para sa mga brides. So, if you want to book my services, you could contact me at Elo Zarzuela Makeup Artist at Facebook page. You could also check me at Instagram, Elo Mua, and you can also check my channel, YouTube, Easy Makeup Artist, or you can look Elo Zarzuela Makeup Artist. So, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from me, and thank you guys for supporting me, and thank you Lara as well for my model today. So thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.